When you've got a longer spreadsheet in Excel and you know you're going to have to print it out over multiple pages, you might want to see where the page breaks are going to sit in case you need to change the orientation of your page or need to make some adjustments. The easiest way to do this is to go down to the bottom right hand corner to the third icon just sitting here, which is Page Break Preview. When you click on it, it changes the view to show you how your spreadsheet is going to fit on pages. So you can see here as you scroll down what items are going to be on which page. Now from here, what you might want to do is perhaps if you had, for example, something like this, see how it's got a line here? You might want to widen your column. You might want to widen the spreadsheet so that everything fits on one page. You can also come down here to where the page break automatically breaks. So sometimes you might want to make sure that all data is on one page or pushed onto the next page. Just be mindful that when you do this, Excel will automatically adjust the font size to ensure it fits into the page. You can also go to the Page Layout tab, and by changing the orientation, you can see how it changes the look and the feel. So it's breaking the pages up into smaller pieces because when you have a page that is landscape, it has less rows, but it's wider. When you want to return your view back to the normal view, simply come down to the bottom right hand corner and click the normal icon.